What is up, YouTube? Today we are going to celebrate. What are we celebrating today? We're celebrating that you know how to do a good title on your page, or you know that posting makes videos actually viral on your page. Okay, so we're going to be talking about both of those today. I'll talk about the latter first. So, the first thing we're going to talk about is if you look at my screen here, when I started posting things on my channel about 3 months ago, you can see here there's some activity. So, I didn't have any consistent posting. As you can see, after I posted a video way back here and I got some views on it, things kind of slowed down for quite some time. Now, I did get a little bit of views there, but not a whole lot. If you could take a look at that. But as you see, the more I posted, the more I would have spikes. So these little things down here are the videos that you see posted and the amount of impressions I have gotten from them. So, what are impressions? Impressions are people actually searching a title for your video. And remember, I said that because that is going to be really important later. And maybe you can't take me seriously because I'm wearing like a onesie right now. I don't know. But anyway, impressions are those things that actually may get you some watch time. So, an impression is something like someone sees your video and it pops up in someone's community post. If someone even sees 50% of your thumbnail, yes, 50% of your thumbnail, half of it flashes across your screen really quickly, that counts as an impression. Also, what counts as an impression is responding to posts and things almost immediately. So, if you're in a live and you did a post, it might be a great idea for you to respond as soon as you can, or like or love a comment in that time. So, an impression can also be you did a great title on your video, and someone happens to be searching that title for research, or they're on Google and they land on your video. Yes, so from Google, someone can land on your video. That is another way to get an impression. Even if they don't view your video, they search it, the topic, and it pops up your video. That's an impression. And that impression may lead to a view or some watch time. Another thing an impression may lead to is, let's say someone get your video, it's recommended, and they see it on the screen as you recommended your own video. So it's very, very, very important to make those video recommendations at the end of your video because those are impressions. These impressions at the bottom here state that they're pushing it out, pushing that video out to others, maybe through post, through recommendation, letting others know when you're online live. So take a look at these things here. When I stopped posting or doing impressions or responding, I got flatline here. Nothing happened in this middle ground right here on my graph. So I posted again and I went up. And as it went down again, I posted again. And as you see, things go back up. So the more you post, the more impressions, the more engagement. So if someone sees your thumbnail, 50% of your thumbnail, even that's an impression. Someone might see your video and like it, but not view it. It means somehow it's been triggered to show them your video, but maybe they're not going to watch it right now. Maybe they will watch it sometime later, or maybe they're just going to count as an impression for you. So, again, those impressions that you see are inside of your YouTube studio, as I talked about in my other video. So, if you want to see more about that, I will link it after this video so you can get right to there and look at all of those things about impressions. So just wanted to explain what an impression was. So many people are like, well, how is this possible? I have 35 likes, but 40 views, or 20 views and 35 likes. Well, the person probably didn't watch your video long enough. You do have to watch long enough to trigger. But because YouTube has these impressions, a like could count as an impression. A like could be something that drives somebody to watch your video at a later time because they've liked it. So maybe YouTube will recommend a new video for you that way. Also, if you are in a live at a particular time, trigger this app to notice that you're in a live. Post it in a community tab. Have someone else post it in their community tab. Try doing this every 15 minutes after your live has ended to try and trigger some more impressions on your video that you just posted. So that's all about impressions, everyone. Now we are going to get into that keyword search that I talked about in my last video. Yes, keyword search, because you are horrible at writing video titles. And I know this because I am horrible at writing YouTube titles. So, what do I do as a content creator? I have to think about, well, when I'm online, what do I want to look for? What do I search for? No one is going to Google and typing in Carla's cardiac careers and coaching or shortcuts because no one knows who I am. Well, of course, you guys do. My subscribers know, but those who don't know me would never go into Google and Google my channel or my channel name. So I have to think about things that people would do. And a couple of weeks ago, someone said to me, I just want to do a fast track into healthcare. I've been typing in fast track to healthcare. And it dawned on me, I thought, oh, she's giving me a tip. Answering questions and what her Google search is could be a title of one of my videos. So I am going to show you what happened after I changed my title to Fast Track in Healthcare on my YouTube channel. Because remember, I was horrible at writing titles where people could find my videos. And that's what we all want, right? We all want somebody to find our video. We want people to be able to get to us so we can get those views, right? Right. So I told you about that one subscriber of mine who said, I just want to fast track into healthcare. I'm always Googling how to fast track into healthcare and to fast track into healthcare. So I thought, well, some of the stuff on my channel is a way to fast track into healthcare. So let me try it. So I changed my title to Fast Track into Healthcare. And as you see, Fast Track into Healthcare with Google, if you scroll down, what do you see? That is my video, Fast Track into Healthcare, EHR training. It goes right to my YouTube. Now, here's the thing. I also found out when I did the Fast Track into Healthcare that a lot of other large organizations use that term for their website. As you see here, a coding agency kind of uses that. Hospitals use this, get into the fast track because they're trying to get people into their field. Okay, so you see one of my videos now. It was a very exciting to have my video there, right there on Google. But are you ready for the good part? Wait until I select the video section. So I select the video section, and what do you see, everybody? You see all of my videos here. That's right. Even the ones that are not titled Fast Track into Healthcare. See, I have the first one, Fast Track, but the second one is titled Learn Electronic Medical Records. Now, why would they show that? Because it's on my channel, and I've recommended this video at the end of my Fast Track videos. So in a search, it's going to bring up not only my Fast Track videos that I retitled by stealing the idea from one of my subscribers, but I also can get my other videos. I have shorts here, and as you keep scrolling, you see that is my YouTube short there, and another one of my videos. And sure, there's a video or two of other people in there because some other people are using that term, as I mentioned. So, yes, you are awful at your titles because no one's going to be searching your name, or no one's going to really be searching, I am cooking today on the 110th day of my cooking vlog. It might be better to type in any type of recipes that someone may be looking up, any of those topics, or maybe it would be great to maybe answer a question in a short. Someone says, I've always wanted to know how to do X, Y, and Z. So then you make a short that says, this is how you do X, Y, and Z. Remember, you've got to get better at your titles so that people can find you. What are people Googling? Are they Googling your channel name, or are they Googling a topic like the best way to do splits, the best way to cook this meal, quick and easy steps to make a pie, or where can I travel inexpensively? Or the most expensive island to travel. Some people look up expensive places. Or maybe the most inexpensive place to travel. So really think about your titles. When you go on Google, do you Google your channel name when you're looking for something? Or do you Google a particular topic? How to do this, learn how to do that. That is what people actually Google. So become the mind of your subscribers. Become yourself when you're actually Googling so someone can find your channel. Somebody could find your topics. I did it, and look what happened here. All of my videos can be found here through a Google search. And that also gets me impressions, as I mentioned earlier. Even if no one actually clicks on my video, remember, if they can see at least 50% of my thumbnail, or have viewed my video for 1 second, or my video pops up in a community tab, or if I recommend my video at the end of another video and someone sees that recommend, that is an impression. So hopefully you learned a lot today from me. Please, please, please subscribe. Thank you so much for everybody that has come here and have encouraged me and giving me wonderful ideas to put on my channel. The last thing that can help your impressions, set the notifications. Because you know what YouTube Studio told me? It told me that only 2% of you, only 2% are hitting that notification bell. Now, let's just make a deal, okay? Hit the notification bell, but you don't necessarily have to stop and watch every video. Setting a notification actually triggers YouTube to help out and say, hey, this person is online. Every single person I subscribe to, I have that notification bell on. Even if I can't watch their video, I know that notification is a trigger. It is putting it out there for other people to see it for an impression. So even if you can't watch, even if you can't subscribe at the moment, when you do subscribe, can you please hit the notification bell since only 2% of you have hit it? And I promise, following you, I will hit the notification bell for you and even post in my community tab so other people can see your videos. So remember, get better at your titles, everybody. Ask your friends for ideas. Ask them what they Google. Ask them what they look for. Do a poll and see what people actually look for online to help your channel grow. And so that they can find your videos on Google, you could get multiple impressions and it leads to watch time. My name is Carla at Carla's Career Shortcuts. Even if you want your career to be YouTube, like, subscribe, and hit that notification. Until next time, everybody, I hope you learned something. If not, say I didn't like this video, Carla. Make something else. Please put a comment down below. I greatly appreciate it. Until next time, everyone, take care.